A za sve one koji se protive testiranjima na životinjama i žele živjeti u skladu sa prirodom, reportaža o najnovijim trendovima u kozmetici.
Konzumirati organsko u svijetu je već duže vrijeme apsolutni trend. Organsko ovo, organsko ono, većinom kad se radi o hrani, ali organska kozmetika to je nešto drugo i nudi se samo na specijalnim mjestima. This shop a bit looks like a cheese shop or something. Where did that idea came from?
Well, exactly that. Cheese shops in Amsterdam were quite a big influence, but predominantly the influence came from the way the products are made. So they're made in molds, very much like cheeses.
Who of the famous people are buying your products, if you know?
Oh gosh, we've had Madonna in the past. We have Jude Law comes into this shop quite a bit. Angelina Jolie, Halle Berry. That's just to name a few. I mean, there's a huge number of celebrities go into our stores all around the world as well.
Osim po izgledu, svježem prirodnom sastavu te ručnoj izradi, ovaj se brend razlikuje od ostalih i po strogom protivljenju testiranju na životinjama.
We have quite a unique policy because Lush as a company doesn't buy from any companies our raw materials from companies that test on animals.
Njihova je tvornica smještena nekoliko sati od Londona, u gradiću Poole, a nalikuje velikoj kuhinji.
We tend to use catering equipment, so things that are made for large kitchens like the Hobart dough blenders and the large stick blenders, and normally the stick blender that you use, saw Gavin used, is usually used for making large batches of soup in kitchens. This is normally used for making breads and pastries. Some of our products have a rose petal infusion. So we have lots and lots of bouquets of roses delivered, and we boil the heads in hot water. We infuse them to get all the colour and the goodness and the active ingredients out of the flowers. These go into our face creams and our face packs, the masks that people use. A bit like making a cup of tea, really.
Svaki dan ovdje stižu gomile svježeg voća i povrća, koje potom obrađuju takozvani šefovi, poput kakvih kuhara. Njihova je lica lako prepoznati s naljepnica na proizvodima.
It is just like a chef making a meal for someone, and we just wanted to make the people that are in the background doing the hard work visible to the customer.
Slično izgleda i Lushova manufaktura kraj Zagreba, koja opskrbljuje hrvatsko i slovensko tržište, kako bi proizvodi bili što svježiji, a mi kupci proaktivni.
So things like strawberries are good for reducing redness in the skin. They're quite moisturizing, so they cool and calm the skin. So that again is in some of our face products. We do a grape and garlic face pack, which is for people that have acne or spots. A lot of teenagers use it.
Od 380 Lushovih dućana širom svijeta, 7 je u Hrvatskoj, a na neke smo naišli u Tokiju.
All nations like to buy Lush products, but Japan we're very, very big in, popular. America, Canada.
What about the Croatian shop?
Yeah, Croatia we're doing really well in and expanding.
Lush je najbolji dokaz da skupi pakung i reklamno bombardiranje nisu preduvjet za opstanak na kapitalističkom tržištu, isto kao što dokazuju da se bez testiranja na životinjama itekako može. Kad bi više tvrtki slijedilo njihov primjer, ovo bi bio puno ljepši svijet.